Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to try out the BuyGlobal W6 electric pressure washer. Despite its compact size, it's going to pack a punch. Let's try it out. All right, a few features on this. Pressure washer is engineered to deliver a high intensity cleaning force. Looking forward to that. 1600 watt motor with 3 plunger pump, suitable for a variety of cleaning tasks. Handle different water temperatures from 35 to 105 Fahrenheit. Pressure washer designed for use and convenience. That has a noise level of 83 decibels. 23-foot pressure hose. It's equipped with a total stop system and a child lock for added safety. It only weighs 15 pounds. This thing is very light. It has 5-inch wheels. Really sits too low to the ground to pull it around too much. You're just going to carry it around. Now, I took Big Red out to Buckhorn yesterday. Got all muddy. So you can see that's what our task is today. And I've also got this motorcycle trailer that I'm about to sell. If anybody wants a motorcycle trailer, there you go. 700 bucks, it can be yours. And here's the hose. It says 23 feet long. I believe it. It also comes with a 2-piece spray nozzle and a soap spray bottle. Sprayer nozzle is also adjustable, so you can have that straight stream like I showed you right there, or you can have a fan stream, or anything in between those two. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Pretty good for when you're washing all the soap off. You can adjust it down however much you want. This fan stream. Spray the mud right out. I'm going to add some Salty Captain 4-wheel drive and RV wash. That ought to be more than enough for what I'm doing today. The water will jump down in there, it'll mix together with the soap, and I'll wash my side by side off. That's what it'll end up looking like. Let's try it out. All right, let's rinse it. And there it is, folks. Looks really good. That little sprayer does pack a punch, I will tell you that. I didn't know what to expect. It's the first time I've ever even had it plugged in. I didn't get all the soap off of that right there. I didn't know what to expect out of it, but I am pleasantly surprised, I will say that. That thing, I've got a much larger pressure washer inside the garage there. I don't think it puts out as much pressure as that little one did. It's certainly not as versatile. Look at that. All right. The link to their website is in the description. Check them out. Use my code, get a discount. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised with what you find out. Have a great day. Get out and explore.